Is tree bark the ultimate superhero? Did you know that tree bark is like a superhero protecting our leafy friends? Just like how our skin protects us, the bark is the tree's armor, defending it against pests, diseases, and harsh weather. Some trees even have fire resistant bark that helps them survive wildfires. And it gets even cooler. Tree bark can also store water, helping trees stay hydrated during dry seasons. Isn't nature amazing? Next time you see a tree, give a nod to its amazing superhero bark. Support me by following me for more fun facts.